everyone, I'm back with another video. So here are a few skin products that I use and I'm going to show you a few of them right now. These all are the ones that I use as a part of my night skincare routine. These are the wet wipes that I use. This one is in lavender flavor. I use many different wet wipes. These are the ones I'm currently obsessed with. I'll quickly show you how these wipes look like. It has some pattern going on it, so this really gives a nice scrub feel when you quickly want to clean your skin. But I use these wipes rarely. Most of the times I use these cotton square makeup cotton pads, which I bought from Miniso. These come in a pack of 150 pieces, but again I'll show you, like, one piece has different layers, so you can just remove all these different layers and use each one separately with your cleansing milk or rose water or your makeup remover for your eye, lips and everything. So this is really soft fabric, so really doesn't harm your skin. As I have a very sensitive skin, so I have stopped using these wet wipes and I have just shifted to this cotton pads. And now this one is Nivea cleansing milk. This is for normal skin. You can also go for a sensitive and a dry skin. This is really good cleansing milk, keeps your skin hydrated as well. Coming to the night thing that I use is this one. This is a night gel by Plum. This is a sample pack that I'm using right now. I'm just trying how this green tea go with my skin. So this really is good right now, so I'll be using a full pack very soon. Another two products that I got are by Water and Water. This is under eye cream. This is really good, guys, a must buy. This is slightly costly, but I think it's a very good product for your under eyes. I have puffiness problem, I have dark circles, so this really helps me. And this one is again my favorite lip balm, which is very good. And this is a product that I swear by. This one is by Sephora. I got this from US. This is a sleeping cream. This is really good. It doesn't have any smell. As you can see, I have almost used it. It just is like magic for my skin. My skin is really dry, so this one is like a must have. These products are something that I use like occasionally. This one is obviously I use daily whenever I'm going out. This one is 3-in-1 Matte Lux Daily Sunblock. The sunscreen, which has SPF 40 by Lotus Herbals, is really good. These two are the ones that I rarely use. Like this one is a face pack by Joy Kesha Chandan, and this one is by St. Evans Multani lotion. Guys, I really recommend this for people who don't have the patience to mix the Multani mitti and all. So this face pack comes really very handy, and it also has rose water, so it has a very beautiful smell. So these are my face packs. Now quickly coming to what I have here as a part of my makeup. So this pouch has many items in it. I'll just quickly walk through. This one is the only product that I use for my skin, like as a part of foundation. So this is in the shade of 120 Classic Ivory. So this is a really good foundation. Obviously many people use this. This is Maybelline Fit Me. Coming to the primer that I used before, that is Dream One Day Perfect. This is by Maybelline New York again. This is a really good primer. Few other products that I have here are this one is aloe vera gel. I used to use that Patanjali one. I'm trying my hand on this Anor ones. This is a really good aloe vera gel. Gives a very soothing effect to my skin. This is a scrub. This face scrub is by Indus Valley. I have used this couple of times. This is really good for my skin. Just acts like a good detoxifier. And this is a face pack. Well, this anti-tan, I don't think it has given a very good like any skin shade difference, but has made my skin really softer. This is by Just Herb, so this is completely natural. These are the two compact powders that I use. One is a simple Maybelline New York one, which has like this mirror, and this one. And the another one is by Lakme. This is the rose powder that I think many people have already used them. This is very, very good. So these are the products that I mainly use for my skin, and I'll come back with another video. Till then, bye bye.